how to enable POP and IMAP on Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Gmail, and then on the right hand side, you'll see a gear icon, which is the settings. Tap on it and then tap on see all settings. Now you will see forwarding and POP/IMAP option. Tap on it and there you can see POP is disabled, so you can tick on enable POP for all mail and then scroll down, and then you will see when I mark a message in IMAP as deleted, so this also change it to on, and then that's it. Just save your changes and your POP and IMAP will be enabled on Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.